Hello, my name is Mr. Allegro. I'm about to show you how to work with Google Docs and printing. Sometimes printing isn't so fun from Google Docs. Sometimes it comes out in a view that sometimes it doesn't make a lot of sense. I'm about to show you how to first download your document as another type of file and then print from that program. I'll show you. First, you want to start by going to your Google Drive and picking the document that you would like to print. I'm going to pick something recent. Titled My Screencast Tutorial Document. As the document pops up, we must understand that this document is in one app, Google Docs. There are many other programs that can open up documents to let us help edit and print. If we're ever having trouble print from Google Docs, here's a quick way to make sure your document prints. First, I click File, and I go down to Download As. Now, most of us understand that we know our programs called Microsoft Word that lets us download our document onto a Word document. From there, we can edit it using Microsoft Word. Most Macintosh or MacBooks have this option. If for some reason you're working with a Chromebook and Microsoft Word isn't available, I want you to download it as a PDF. A PDF is just another type of file. PDF allows us to view and print documents, but it doesn't allow us to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and download my PDF. It should pop up under my Downloads page on my Chromebook, or it should just pop up in my toolbar if I'm working with a Mac. I then click the document, which should pop up. My option to print is on the right. And again, I want to make sure I have the right printer. I do want to print to BG06, the laser printer in the basement. I go ahead and print, and I check the printer. If there was a problem printing, please let your teacher or the librarian in charge know about your dilemma, if any. If not, grab your paper and pass it in. Thanks.